Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've got clouds that are on the increase this morning, and we will see some rain shower activity as we go into the afternoon and evening hours tonight. Winds will also be increasing out of the northeasterly direction as a coastal low develops and moves along the mid-Atlantic coast and out to sea later tonight. Yesterday across the region we saw daytime high temperatures right around 50 degrees for many locations. 50 degrees was the daytime high here at Wallops. The warmest reporting station across the region was Richmond at 53. Overnight last night we saw a pretty wide range in temperatures for overnight low temperatures. You saw Salisbury at 28 degrees, Ocean City at 29, 30 degrees in Baltimore, and some warmer locations in Norfolk, 38 degrees, Langley Air Force Base at 36, Wallops getting down to a low of 38 degrees last night. Over the past 24 hours, no measurable precipitation, and as of 9 a.m. we see mostly cloudy to cloudy conditions throughout most of the region. We do see some partly cloudy conditions just off to our west at Pax River as of 9 a.m., but those clouds are on the increase, and we are going to see mostly cloudy to overcast conditions throughout most of the day today. 9 a.m. your temperature here at Wallops was at 46 degrees. Winds from our morning balloon release showing out of an easterly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, coming southwesterly in direction as we go up in height. 25,000 foot level, you see that southwest wind at 57 knots. Freezing level is at 3,600 feet. Current surface analysis showing that area of low pressure beginning to develop here off the coast as of this morning. We're going to see it continue to intensify as the day goes on and move right along the Carolinas, and then we'll take a northeasterly turn out to sea. So we will not see the brunt of the impacts of this storm, as it will be a very strong system as it moves along the coast, and will be certainly some poor conditions off the coast along the coastal sections. We're going to see some pretty breezy and rainy conditions here as well, but again, if this had taken a little bit farther westward track, we would have seen much worse conditions from this storm as we go through the day today. So just kind of going to get a glancing blow from this. We are going to see the rain shower activity and the breezy conditions, and as you can see here on radar, those rain showers making their way to about the Virginia-North Carolina border currently. So looks like we'll see another few hours of dry weather until about 2 o'clock, and then we'll see those rain showers beginning in our area. Taking a look here at our current short-term high-resolution model, you can see by the midday period here at 2 o'clock, some of those rain showers beginning to affect the coastal sections of Virginia. Much heavier precipitation expected down to our south along the Outer Banks, where they will see some very strong winds and some heavier rain showers throughout the afternoon today. For us, our greatest period of rainfall will likely be during the evening hours before midnight tonight, seeing those rain showers and northeasterly winds impacting the area. And then by about 12 o'clock midnight, we'll see those rain showers quickly move off the coast, and we'll see some improving conditions after that point. Northwesterly winds will act to begin to dry us out here by early tomorrow morning. Should see a fair amount of sunshine and mostly sunny skies expected during the day on Wednesday. So looking at our forecast maps here for the next couple of days, you can see this area of low pressure quickly moving across the coastal sections of the mid-Atlantic as we go through the afternoon and evening. By later on tonight, you can see that low well off the coast at this point. This would be at 2 o'clock in the morning. You can see that area of low pressure pretty far off the coast at that time. So this will be a very quick mover, and by Wednesday morning, you're going to see that low all the way up off the coastal sections of New England, and seeing improving conditions here at Wallops with that area of high pressure building over the southeastern United States, bringing us a quick warm up as we go through the midweek and end of the week period, as we'll see those temperatures above normal for this time of year. Wednesday evening we'll see a dry frontal boundary across the region, and not expecting anything significant out of that except for maybe a little bit of increased cloudiness on Thursday as that front drops south of the area. We will see warm conditions on through the end of the week. Again, temperatures should be in the upper 60s by the time we get to Thursday, and Friday and Saturday look like we'll see unseasonably warm conditions as well for both of those 2 days. So taking a look at our next 24 hours, Again, those winds will be on the increase. Already seeing some pretty breezy conditions out there, close to a wind advisory. Right now, we have not issued one, but we are expecting to issue one later on today. High temperatures will be maxing out late this morning into the early afternoon hours in the low 50s before the rain arrives, and then we'll see those temperatures falling back into the 40s. So expecting those winds gusting to around 25 knots throughout the afternoon and evening hours today, and expecting those rain showers to be likely after 4 o'clock, with the chances of rain beginning after 2 p.m. this afternoon. Again, overnight tonight, we'll see those rain showers coming to an end around midnight. We'll still see breezy conditions out of the northwest at 11 to 16 knots after midnight, and then northwesterly winds at 10 to 15 knots by early tomorrow morning. Looking ahead to Wednesday and Thursday's forecast, again, those temperatures will be warming pretty nicely for our midweek period, up to 65 degrees on Wednesday, a high of 67 degrees on Thursday. And you can see a green chart for the most part for Wednesday and Thursday, with the exception of seeing some breezy conditions on Wednesday, potentially with those winds over 25 knots. Taking a look at our next 7 days, we're going to see temperatures generally running in the upper 60s to around 70 degrees by the beginning of next week. Our coolest day of the week looks to be Friday after we get through today, as we'll see that frontal boundary drop south of our region, and also some rain showers potentially in the area during the day on Friday as a system moves in from the west. Behind that frontal system, we'll see temperatures warming once again to the upper 60s for the weekend. Looks like we'll see more clouds in the forecast for Saturday than Sunday, and looking at Monday, seeing partly to mostly cloudy skies continuing with those mild temperatures maybe into the low 70s by the time we begin the beginning of next week. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.